Gas tax increase headlines $13.52 billion tax package. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News. A special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. This evening, breaking down the budget, our analysts weigh in.
Reactions too from the opposition ahead of the finance spokesman's presentation next week.
On the defensive, unions on why they're opposed to the pension reform proposal.
MOU signed for new home for the nation's parliament.
We'll have the business news and also sports commentary and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
What are your thoughts on the government's tax package?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after these messages.